SAP Advanced SQL Migration is SAP's powerful database migration tool for custom applications. In this demo, we will show how an Oracle-based application is migrated to SAP HANA using SAP Advanced SQL Migration. First, the application connects to the Oracle database. Some of the main functions of the application are demonstrated. For every mouse click, an Oracle stored procedure is executed in the Oracle database. After completing the demonstration, the SAP Advanced SQL Migration tool is started. The migration tool connects to the Oracle database and extracts metadata for the application's database schema and for PL SQL objects. The migration tool converts the extracted schema and stored procedures to the SQL dialect of SAP HANA, called SQL script. The converted SQL code is delivered as ready-to-run scripts. These are executed against the SAP HANA database to create the database schema and the stored procedures in SAP HANA. The application is disconnected from Oracle and actual data is extracted from the Oracle database tables and loaded into the SAP HANA database tables. Finally, the application connects to the SAP HANA database. The application is demonstrated to work exactly the same as in Oracle. Welcome to SAP Advanced SQL Migration Demo, starting APPDEMO client. APPDEMO connects to Oracle database. Notice the information at the bottom indicating the connection is established to Oracle 11G. In Authors tab you can see authors and their corresponding titles. Hovering on an author or title you see the corresponding pictures if they exist. In Titles tab you see a list of titles where you can apply different filters. Hovering on a title you also see the corresponding picture when it exists. Publishers tab shows the publishers with their corresponding titles. Stores tab shows the list of stores. Orders tab shows the orders with their corresponding titles. And finally, Statistics tab shows some statistics about stored procedure calls and selects executed in the demo so far. Every mouse click causes one or more stored procedures to be executed in the database server. APPDEMO implements functionalities to manage authors, titles, publishers, etc. As an example, let's add Hasso-Plattner's book about in-memory databases. Exception handling is used in some parts. For example, notice what happens if an invalid ISBN is typed. A user-defined exception is raised. Once the ISBN is modified and a valid value is used, the title can be stored in the database. If you try to remove an author with associated titles, a different user-defined exception is raised. Starting SAP Advanced SQL Migration to connect to Oracle and perform the extract, notice that extract command is used. Once the extract is done, proceeding with the convert, notice that convert command is used this time. When convert is finished, SAP Advanced SQL Migration Ready to Run scripts have been created. Running first script called runDDL script, it will create the migrated schema in the HANA database. Notice that 0 errors were raised while executing this script. Now running second script called run SQL script to create the converted stored procedures and functions. Notice that 0 errors were raised in this case too. APPDEMO client is disconnected from Oracle and connected to HANA. Notice the information at the bottom indicating the connection is established to HANA 2.0 revision 31, the minimum version required. No data is appearing because data has not been migrated yet. Proceeding with data migration, this is done with the script to copy data out of the Oracle tables and load into the HANA tables. Now that the data has been migrated, clicking the refresh button shows the list of authors. Notice the Hassos book we added in Oracle is appearing in HANA. As you can see, we are getting same behavior we had in Oracle. Setting an invalid ISBN is raising the similar user exception that was raised in Oracle. And similarly, trying to delete an author with associated titles also raises a similar exception. And this is the end of the demo. Thanks a lot for watching.